Hello students, today I am teaching exercise 2.2 of chapter 2 exponent. So let's start. Students, today I am starting exercise 2.2. In this exercise, first question is simplify the following. First question is 2 upon 7 power 3 into 1 upon 2 power 3. You will see that here bases are different but powers are equals. Since x power m into y power m is equal to xy power m. Therefore 2 upon 7 power 3 into 1 upon 2 power 3 is equal to 2 upon 7 into 1 upon 2 power 3. 2 cancelled is equal to 1 upon 7 power 3. So 1 into 1 into 1 upon 7 into 7 into 7 is equal to 1 upon 7 7 ja 49, 49 7 ja 7 9 ja 63, carry 6, 7 4 ja 28, 28 और 6 34. So 1 upon 343. Second question is 4 upon 5 power 4 into 5 upon 4 power 2. You will see that here bases are different and powers are also different. So at first we have to make common bases, mean like bases, equal bases. So as you know that if we put negative power, then base becomes reciprocals. So either you make this power negative or this power negative. So 4 upon 5 power 4 into 5 upon 4 power 2, since p upon q power minus m is equal to q upon p power m, therefore 5 upon 4 power 5 upon 4 power minus 4 into 5 upon 4 power 2. Here you will see that now bases are same. Since x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n, therefore 5 upon 4 power minus 4 into 5 upon 4 power 2 is equal to 5 upon 4 power minus 4 plus 2 is equal to 5 upon 4 power minus 2 is equal to 4 upon 5 power 2. Now answer is 16 upon 25. Now question number C is minus 5 power 3 divided by minus 1 upon 5 power 2. So minus 5 power 3 divided by minus 1 by 5 power 2 is equal to minus 5 power 3 into minus 5 पावर 2. डिवाइड में हम रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं और यहाँ पर इंटू कर देते हैं. नाउ बेसेज आर कॉमन. सिंस x पावर m इंटू एक्स पावर n इज इक्वल टू x पावर m प्लस n, देयरफॉर माइनस 5 पावर 3 इंटू माइनस 5 पावर 2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 5 पावर 3 प्लस 2 is equal to minus 5 power 5. Since power is odd, therefore result will be negative. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 1 2 3 4 into 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 ja 125, 5 ja 605, 625, 5 ja minus 3 1 3125 minus 3125. Now the question number D is 3 upon 4 power 3 into 3 upon 4 power minus 5. Bases are same, so solution 3 upon 4 power 3 into 3 upon 4 power minus 5. Now since x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n, therefore 3 upon 4 power 3 into 3 upon 4 power minus 5 is equal to 3 upon 4 power 3 plus minus 5 is equal to 3 upon 4 power 3 minus 5 is equal to 3 upon 4 power minus 2 is equal to 4 upon 3 power 2 is equal to 4 into 4 upon 3 into 3 16 upon 9. यहाँ पर आपका माइनस पावर था, इसलिए इसका हमको रेसिप्रोकल करना पड़ा इसको पॉजिटिव करने के लिए. पावर 2 थी, इसलिए यहाँ पर हम 4 का 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई किया और 3 का 2 टाइम्स. 4 4 जा 16 एंड 3 3 जा 9. सो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज एक्सप्रेस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट. आपको इसको एक्सपोनेंट के फॉर्म में लिखना है. फर्स्ट नंबर इज -25/49. सो एट फर्स्ट यू फाइंड आउट द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 25 एंड 49. 5 5 जा 25 एंड 5 1 जा 5. सिमिलरली 7 7 जा 49 एंड 7 1 जा 7. तो सॉल्यूशन में आप लिखेंगे -25/49 इज इक्वल टू -5 into -5 upon 7 into 7. So your answer will be -5 upon 7 की power 2. So this is a exponential form of -25/49. Now the second question is 27/125. Similarly, find out prime factorization of 27 and 125 1 by 1. 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3 and 5 25 ja 5 5 ja and 5 1 ja. Here in solution 27/125 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 upon 5 into 5 into 5. You will see that here 3 is 3 times and 5 is also 3 times. So 27/125 is equal to 3 upon 5 power 3. Now the question number C is 729/64. Similarly, we find out prime factorization of 729 and 64. So 729 3 243 ja 381 ja 327 ja 39 ja 33 ja 31 ja 2 का 232 216 2 8 ja 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 2 1 ja. In case solution 729/64 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here 2 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 3 4 5 6. So 729/64 is equal to 3 power 2 3/2 की power 6. Question number 3 is prove 5 upon 7 power 7 into 7 upon 5 power 7 minus 3 upon 19 square into 19 upon 3 square is equal to 0. Solution 5 upon 7 power 7 into 7 upon 5 power 7 minus 3 upon 19 power 2 into 19 upon 3 power 2 is equal to 0. So at first we had to take LHS. So LHS is equal to 5 upon 7 power 7 into 7 upon 5 power 7 minus 3 upon 19 power 2 into 19 upon 3 power 2. You will see that both bases are different but powers are same. Here also both bases are different but powers are same. Since x power m into y power m is equal to x into y power m is equal to xy power am, therefore 5 upon 7 power 7 into 7 upon 5 power 7 minus 3 upon 19 power 2 into 19 upon 3 power 2 is equal to 5 upon 7 into 7 upon 5 power 7 minus 3 upon 19 into 19 upon 3 power 2. 7 7 cancelled, 5 5 cancelled, similarly 3 3 cancelled and 19 19 cancelled. So 1 power 7 minus 1 power 2. So answer will be 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. But RHS is given 0. Hence it is a proof that LHS is equal to RHS.